A pleasant good morning, dear students. Welcome back to 11th standard physics class. First of all, wish you very happy, prosperous New Year to all. May God blessing to everyone for your good health and good education. Because education is a art of life. It's not a part of life. It's the art of life. Our education system is very important, each and everyone for you. Okay. I hope all of you are studying well and during the holidays. It's not a holidays, you should be prepared on these days yourself. Whatever it is you learn, not only for the subject matter, anything you can learn. You have a sufficient time, but you are waste of the time. Most of them you are wasting of the time. It's very bad. Please don't waste your time. Try to learn something. Because these days will never possible again. We should be changed to be useful on these days, this corona pandemic situation. At the same time, be fit on your health. At the same time, continue on your education. Don't waste your time. Please remember. Okay. Last week we have to see the topic of dimensional analysis. So many of them reply, okay, good. Only few, they can't able to understand that replying on your examination test. Okay, I will just revise on the first volume. We never go to the second volume because a lot of things we have to learn about the first volume. But so many of them to joining in later in the WhatsApp class to joining the later. So we have to revise on the first volume each and every content. Those who are very important content we have to revise. At the same time we have to see the last time dimensional analysis. The last week we have to revise completely. You remember there is how many uses of dimensional analysis to check the equation and one system to another system. What about the third one? Totally, you wrote the examination 3-dimensional uses. Convert one system to another system to check the equation and establish of the equation. These thing is very important. Establish of the equations. Okay. Now, we have to see the topic of second lesson. This is a very important content. What is the topic today? It's called motion. It's not a new topic. Physics is not a new for each and everyone. You are becoming in 11th standard, you studying in 9th standard, 8th standard, 10th standard, whatever it is, the application should be followed on the 11th standard. What you studied in the 9th standard or 10th standard motion lesson? Any kind of movable object is called motion. From all the object, try to stable, but all the object is to be moved. Even if you are taking a duster, the inside of the particles, what is the inside of the particles? Atoms and molecules. If you touch, if you are broken this duster, and that particular time, every atoms and molecules are collide each and every one another. Collide. So it is not a living things, it is a non-living things you feel, but inside atoms or molecules is to be moved. So these two out of the focus on the physics, whatever it is, நம்ம ஒரு கண்டென்ட்டா பார்க்கணும், subject related okay. Motion, all the object is to be moved, motion. Our earth is to be moved, is a motion. Any kind of object is to be moved is called motion. There is a few type of motion we have to see. What is a few type of motion? Linear. Any object is to be going on straight line is called a linear. And another oscillatory and vibratory, random. This is a few example, a few types of motion. Linear, in a bus going to be travel in a straight line in a bus is called a linear. Another one example I would like to say, ant should be moving only for straight line. This is called a linear. An oscillatory, to and fro, simple pendulum, like you are studying simple pendulum in 10th standard or any another, is oscillatory. Vibratory, you are string guitar, you are playing in a guitar. So the string is to be vibrating. This is called a vibratory. Random motion. The kite fly on the sky. There is no direction on the kite. It's called a random motion. So these things are types of motion we have to study in a lower section, also in 11th standard. Then next, any object is to be moved. For kinematic equation, we studied in 9th standard, we have to see the three equation. Anybody remember these three equation? Already we have to see the second lesson, this topic. Also you studied in 9th standard. This equation is again and again repeated for you. I would like to explain about this equation. V is equal to U plus AT. Any object is to be going on straight line. This is called kinematic equation or movable object. Movable object kind of equations. What is another one? You remember S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. What is the third one? V square is equal to u square plus 2as. These three you remember in 9th standard. These three equation we have to study compulsory. This is a kinematic equation. What is the topic you are studied in 9th standard? Equation of motion by graphical method. We have derived these three equation. Graphical method மூலமா நம்ம இந்த equation derive பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம் 9th standardல. Again we have to derive another method in the 11th standard, integration method. What is the integration? Already I given a lot of explanation given the integral calculus. Again just recall about this topic. This very important content about your exam pattern. This content not only for this, last week also we have to revise for dimensional analysis. This is the integral calculus. Max li ungalku repeat agum. Not only for physics, is also max related very important topic of the integral calculus. Now today we have to see how can we derive integral calculus method these three equations. What is these three equation is? Kinematic equations. What is the integration? First of all, I would like to explain about this content of topic. What is the integration? Combining the values. There is a two important thing we have to study in higher secondary. Differentiating values, integrating of values. Integration, differentiation. Each one value we are distributing, that is called differentiation. From all the individual values you are combining, that's called integration. In your example, in classroom, so many of them to getting a different mark in your maths or physics, any kind, etc., any subject. We don't know the average value. So all the marks are originating or combining this value. This is called a integration method. First of all, I would like to explain about the integration symbols. This is integration symbol. Integration symbol, combining the values. What is the basic formula? All of you know, but again I will remember you. What is the basic formula? X power n dx is equal to, anybody know? X power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And about dx, to integrating value about the power of x power n. So what is the formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We have to see one small few example about this formula in a problem. Integration x power 5 dx. Please work out the formula. What is the formula? X power, what is the n value? 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 is equal to x power 6 by 6. There is a integration. Integration means I just given the introduction only for the basic formula, not elaboratedly we have to take, because your maths teacher completely taking this topic of integration. These topic related on the physics, so only I just given the small few formula about the integrations. X power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Another one formula, integration u dx. U is mean a constant value. Suppose u is a constant value means u is out of the integral. U integration dx. Integration ds is equal to x u. So any constant value we can't able to the integrating. Okay, remember any constant value we can't able to integrate. This is out of the integral. What the component will be given? Just you integrating the value. This is a basic formula. And this, what is the power? Had one value n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is a basic formula. Then next one we are applying on the limit of the integration. Integration la eppadi nama limit apply panna porom. Integration x dx. So integration x dx, what is the answer? You know, I just recall you. There is no anything means is a 1. X power 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. What is the value? X square by 2. And this thing you are given the power value means integration 1 to x square. This is the upper limit, this is a lower limit. Whenever they given the value of integrating value and just applying the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So this thing is integration x dx. What is the value? Answer you got it, x square by 2. Then applying on the limit 2, 1. What is the upper limit? 2. Whatever it is of inside, just applying the limit 2 square by 2 minus lower limit 1 square by 2. What is the answer? 2 square by 2 minus 1 square by 2. 2 square 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. And finally 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. So you remember how can we given the limit value about the integration? There will any formula will be given, just integrating the value and applying the upper limit and minus lower limit. உள்ள என்ன இருக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க தேவையில்லை, டைரக்டா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிடலாம், லிமிட்ல அப்ளை பண்ணிடலாம். This is another method to integration. This is a basic formula. Always remember this formula. Integration I just explain you. Integration c x dx. Here c is a constant value means what is the rule? C is out of the integral x dx. C x square by 2. So any constant value we can't able to integrating just out of the integral. So applying the limit is another one method. Whatever it is, first of all you integrating the value, then upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, you remember all of you what is the integration? What is the integration value? You remember combining the values. There are different opinions. If you are taking one value, different average mark. If you are taking the mark, this is a integrating value. So now integration x power n dx. What is the formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, basic மட்டும் நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிருக்கேன். Now we can see the equation of 3 dynamic equation about the integral calculus method. Already you studied in 9th standard graphical method. Now we have to see integral calculus method. I will recall you about the 3 equation. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. Third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Please see, look at the 3 equation. And what is the component? I would like to explain. What is the v is called? Final velocity. U, initial velocity. What is a? Acceleration. What is t? Time taken. You studied in 9th standard or 10th standard. What is the acceleration formula? A is equal to v minus u by t. So V minus U is equal to cross multiplication AT. V going on opposite side, V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation. This is called velocity equation. What is S? Here S is called not a second. So many of them confused. S is called second. It's not a second. Here motion, any object is to be moved. S is called displacement. X சொல்லலாம், H சொல்லலாம், நீங்க எதை வேணா சொல்லலாம். S is called displacement. And U, you know very well, U is called initial velocity and A is called acceleration. V square again final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is called acceleration and S is called displacement. Now we have to derive these three equations about the integral calculus method. Please look at these three equations. You remember each and every one. Please look at this. 1 minute. You remember these three equations. You studied in 9th standard, also 10th standard. Now you are studying 11th standard. Please look at this. Okay, now we have to derive the first equation. How can we derive this first equation? All of you know what is the first equation? V is equal to U plus AT. Now we are derived. First one is, what is the velocity formula? Anybody know? Acceleration formula. A is equal to dV by dt. What is the acceleration formula? Change in velocity with respect to of the time taken. What is the acceleration formula? You studied in 9th standard, also 10th standard. Change in velocity. What is the change in velocity? Final velocity minus initial velocity with respect to of the time taken. So A is equal to dV by dt. Taking the dV is equal to A into dt. Whether you understood? dV inga kondu vandiroma A dt. Now we are applying about the integral calculus method and find out the equations. Integral calculus மூலமா நம்ம இந்த ஈக்குவேஷனை derive பண்ண போறோம். So dV is equal to A dt. Now applying the limit dV A integration dt. What is the velocity? The two types of velocity you studied: initial velocity and final velocity. U is called initial velocity, V is called final velocity. A only for acceleration. T with respect to the time taken, the initial level, the time taken is 0 and finally the time taken reach the T. Remember, initial level the time taken 0 and finally the time taken to reach the T. And now integral calculus method, what is the integration formula? I would like to write over here. Please remember what is the formula. Always you remember integration dx is equal to x. Remember the formula, integration dx is equal to x. Integration dv, integration dx is equal to x na integration dv என்னவா இருக்கும் பாருங்க. integration dv is equal to v. A integration dt, integration dt t. Now applying on the limit, I would like to do, again I will tell you, I will applying the limit is, what is the limit is u v and what is the limit is 0 t. What is the limit is v u 0 t. What is the formula applying the limit? What is the method we are applying the limit? Upper limit minus lower limit, whatever it is inside the component. Function உள்ள என்ன இருக்கோ அதை நீங்க பார்க்காதீங்க, டைரக்டா லிமிட்டை அப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ upper limit v minus lower limit u and a, upper limit is t minus lower limit is 0. V minus u is equal to at. V is equal to the minus u going on opposite side, u plus at. So I will derive the first equation. What is the equation? V is equal to u plus at. Students, remember, so many of them we can't be able to write over this question. I will ask in the question paper, derive the kinematic equation or equation of motion by integral calculus method. But only few of them are able to write. Most of them they can't able to write. Why? I don't know what is the reason is. You are can't able to understand. Please ask me. Please text me in the WhatsApp. Phone பண்ணி கூட கேளுங்க. என்ன டவுட்ன்றதை ஃபோன் பண்ணியாவது கேளுங்க தயவு செஞ்சு. Okay? So first equation, the basic formula, acceleration A is equal to dv by dt and dv is equal to, what is the formula? A dt. Integration dv is equal to A dt and vu A integration dt is equal to t. What is the limit is? V minus u A. What is the limit is? T minus 0. V minus is equal to at. V is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation. Please look at this one by one. ஒரு ஸ்டெப்பா பாருங்க உங்களுக்கு புரியுதான்னு சொல்லிட்டு 1 minute பாருங்க 1 நிமிஷம். Okay, if you are able to understand this equation, whenever it should be asked, this question is very important topic about your integration basic method. Also, if you are studying in entrance examinations, you should be prepared. Integral calculus method basic on the formula is very important. So only I will explain and again revise this content of topic. Okay, online la enna neenga prepare pannalum nariya per vandu marandurreenga. If you are mugging the most of them question, memorized. So many of them I will insist several times, please don't memorize any questions. Understood of the concept. Don't waste your time and energy. If you are understood, nobody can forget. Please understood this concept. Okay, now we can go to the second equation. What is your mistake you are doing? Just look at the note or look at the book and then you can write over the examinations. If you should be memorize the question. Students, please try to understand whatever it is of any content of derivative, not only for the physics, chemistry, maths. Theory portion is not a matter. Theory, if your memories or another thing, if you write your own story, doesn't matter. I will never ask. Because your concept should be never changed in the theory. If you are changing the statement, it's completely wrong. But derivative, you can't be able to write over the story. At least 3 times. Just spend in half an hour. Please, 3 times. You should be work out on your rough note. Okay, rough note or anything. Please work out. Okay, now we can go to the second equation. V is equal to ds by dt. Velocity is equal to, what is the equation? Displacement by time taken. Before, what is the equation? Acceleration is equal to change in velocity with respect of the time taken. Now we can go to the second equation. Velocity is equal to displacement with respect of the time taken. Okay, now ds is equal to, what is the v value? V into dt. Already just now we derived the first equation. What is the v value? U plus at. U plus at. You are applying the here this value, v value. So ds is equal to u plus at into dt. Okay. If you understood this concept, velocity is equal to displacement by time taken. ds is equal to v into dt. Cross multiplication பண்ணிருக்கோமா வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. Taking the ds, just cross multiplication, v into dt. What is the v value? Just now we derived the first equation, u plus at into dt. So ds, the u multiplying on the dt and at multiplying on the dt. So u dt plus a t dt. Whether you understood this, please listen. ds is equal to, what is the v value? U plus at into dt. ds is equal to u multiplying on the dt plus a multiplying on the t dt. These only slightly change. This equation is completely finished. So don't be memorized. It's a very simple term. Okay, don't be memorized. Now we can go to the second equation. So we said given the integral method, please applying on the limit, applying on the integral, also limit each and every one. So integral ds, what is the limit is 0 to s. So if you are asking the doubt only for 0 s, for the displacement s, the initial level the displacement is 0 and reach the final point, the displacement is called s. And u dt, what is the limit of dt? 0 to t plus a, taking the a, and integration t dt. A is a constant, u is a constant, because you have derivative on the velocity, also acceleration. We have the different opinion of the time. Is not initial time to reach the final time, initial to final to reach the time. Also this time taken with respect of the initial time to reach the final time. So a t dt, u dt, 0 to t. Now applying the integral calculation method, integration ds, integration dx is equal to s, integration ds is equal to, what is the value? S. What is the limit is? 0 s. Upper limit is 0 s. And u, integration dt, what is the value? T. What is the limit is? 0 to t plus a, integration t dt. This formula is very important. I would like to tell you, integration t dt, t power 1. What is the formula? We have studied x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. The same way, t power 1 is equal to t power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. What is the answer? You got it, t square by 2. So integration t dt, what is the answer? We find out. Oh sorry, I given the limit 0 to t. T dt is equal to t square by 2. What is the limit is? 0 to t. Now applying on the limit, upper limit is s minus lower limit is 0, and u, upper limit is t minus lower limit is 0 plus a, what is the upper limit? T. Whatever is, you never should be considered. Upper limit is t and lower limit is 0. So upper limit is t square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. Please try to understand. First of all, integrating the value and applying on the limit. Integrating the value and applying on the limit. S minus 0, u, t minus 0, a, t square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. S minus 0 is s, u, t minus 0 is t plus a, t square by 2. S is equal to ut plus the by 2, 1 by 2, a, t square. So we have derived the second equation, slightly elaborated. Okay, don't be confused. The second equation slightly elaborated. I will recall you. V is equal to what? Velocity is equal to, what is the formula? Displacement by time. So ds is equal to v dt. V value u plus at into dt. U dt, a t dt, and integration ds is equal to s. Integration dt is equal to t, and integration t dt is equal to t square by 2. So s minus 0, u, t minus 0, a, t square by 2. ut, a t square by 2, ut plus 1 by 2, a t square. Students, please step by step note எடுத்து எழுதி பாருங்க, இல்லனா ஒரு ஸ்டெப்பா பாருங்க, புரியுதான்னு பாருங்க. Write over 1 or 2 time or 3 time, please write over. Don't waste your time. It's a very simplest concept. If you know integration, also applying, how can we applying on the limit method? If you are confused, if you are asking the doubt, what is the limit? We don't know. Please try to understand the displacement is initial level when a bus or car to starting the point is 0 and reach the point, final to reach the point, the displacement is called, what is this? S is called displacement. And dt, initial level, the bus travel time taken is 0 and reach the final time is called t. If you don't know the value, we are taking the max, just say x, taking a x. The same way, integration dt is equal to 0 and finally reach the point is t, and a t dt 0 t. Now you can clearly put the value. Also the velocity only two limits. What is the two limit? Initial velocity and final velocity. So whether you understood these two equations, now we can go to the third equation. Derive. What is the third equation? V square is equal to u square plus 2as. இது செகண்ட் விட இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் எலாபரேட்டடாக இருக்கும். ஆனால் இது முதல்ல புரியுதான்னு ஒரு நிமிஷம் நல்லா பார்த்துக்குங்க, சரியா? So now I would like to derive the third equation, கொஞ்சம் slightly elaborated இருக்கும். So a acceleration is equal to dv by ds. You know, again I repeated this formula. Acceleration is equal to velocity by displacement. A slightly modification. A is equal to dv by ds into ds by dt. Okay, sorry. Acceleration is equal to velocity by time taken. So அதை நான் எப்படி எழுதியிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னா, denominator and numerator multiplying on the displacement. Now this equation, please slightly this see what is the modification we have to see. A is equal to dv by dt, dv by ds into ds by dt. நியூமரேட்டர்லையும் டினாமினேட்டர்லையும் ஒரே வேல்யூ நம்ம பண்ணோம்னா அந்த வேல்யூ வந்து மாறாது. Multiply and divided numerator and denominator, the value should be never change. On this method I will multiply and dividing the ds value. So if you are strike out the ds, what is the final value? Dv by dt. So acceleration is equal to, what is the formula? Dv by dt. On this concept you are multiplying and divided by displacement. A is equal to dv by ds into ds by dt. On this method A is equal to dv by ds into ds by dt. What is value? What is the ds by dt value? Velocity. So velocity value v is equal to ds by dt. If you know very well, velocity is equal to displacement by time. So on this method velocity is equal to displacement by time v. Now we can find derive. What is the formula we have to catch out? A is equal to dv by ds into v. Finally we need the displacement, means ds is equal to 1 by a v dv. ds is equal to 1 by a v dv. Whether you understood this concept, ds is come this side, a is going on opposite side, so 1 by a v dv. Please try to understand. A is equal to dv by dt, dv by ds into ds by dt. The ds will be strike out, the same value should be repeated. On this value ds by dt is equal to v, we need the displacement is ds is equal to 1 by a v dv. So ds is equal to, now we can easily applying on the limit, so all over ds is equal to integration ds is equal to 1 by a integration v dv, applying on the integral method. Integration ds 1 by a integration v dv. What is the limit is 0 to s. What is the limit is velocity. What is the limit velocity? U and v. Initial velocity and final velocity. So applying on the limit is integration ds is equal to s. What is the limit is 0 to s. 1 by a integration v dv. Just now I told you integration t dt is equal to t square by 2. The same way integration v dv is equal to v square by 2. What is the limit is u v. S minus 0 1 by a. upper limit is v square by 2 minus lower limit is u square by 2. So s minus 0 is s 1 by 2 common இருக்குமா 2 வந்து என்ன பண்ணிரோம் வெளியில எடுத்துறோம் 2a v square minus u square. Taking a cross multiplication 2as is equal to v square minus u square. V square is equal to u square come this side u square plus 2as. So see a is equal to dv by dt and multiplying and divided by ds by dt. A is equal to dv by ds into v. ds is equal to a come this side 1 by a v dv. Integration 0 to s ds 1 by a integration v dv. ds is equal to s 1 by a v dv is equal to v square by 2. V square by 2, then applying the limit is upper limit minus lower limit. So 2as cross multiplication v square minus u square. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. So students, completely we have to derive the 3 equation by graphical method. Please work out one by one. முதல்ல வந்து நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொன்ன மாதிரி இந்த ஸ்டெப் கொஞ்சம் புரியுதா பாருங்க. இந்த ஒரு ஸ்டெப்பும் கொஞ்சம் புரியுதா பாருங்க. So already it should be very easy. I feel it's very easy about you, each and every one. எப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் நீங்கள் எழுதி பார்த்தனா தான் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். ப்ளீஸ் தயவு செஞ்சு நோட் எடுத்து ஒரு முறை எழுதி பாருங்கள். I recall you a is equal to dv by dt and dv by ds into ds by dt, a dv by ds into v. So ds is equal to 1 by a v dv. So and so can finally to derive these 3 equations. This thing is why I should be content to revise this topic. I feel it so many of them you don't know integral calculus. So only again I will recall about this content of topic. Now you can watch clearly. Please take on your rough note 3 times you should be derive without seeing any book. புக்கில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த அளவுக்கு டீப்பாக எலாபரேட் பண்ணியிருக்க மாட்டாங்க, டைரெக்டாக ஸ்டெப் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஆனால் நான் இந்த மெத்தடில் நீங்கள் டெரைவ் பண்ணுங்கள், இந்த மெத்தடில் நீங்கள் டெரைவ் பண்ணி எனக்கு காமிங்க, அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு புரியும். அதனால் எழுதி பாருங்கள். ஸோ டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க. ஆல்சோ this will be repeated on your examinations. Also don't waste your time. Several times I repeat you, don't waste your time. Again and again, these days you should be utilized on your only for education learning purpose. Another thing, very விஷயம் கிடையாது, it should be very important about your learning. Don't waste your time. You can see in a next week on different topic. In a few days, in a few months, we have to revise about only for the first volume, because I would like to explain about that first volume is more content of you have to study. அது நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக படிச்சே ஆகணும். இன்னும் நிறைய கண்டென்ட் இருக்குது, ரீகால் நான் உங்களுக்கு பண்ணி ஆகணும். வந்து you can see the next week. Thank you, all the best.